Hello and welcome, resellers. If you sell on eBay or Poshmark, you're in luck. We're going to cover the top 25 selling brands of heels on eBay from the last 90 days. This list isn't ranked, but I've starred the top 10. We'll have a % sell-through video for heels coming soon. Let's begin. LK Bennett. Current sold is $65 and $10 shipping. This is a red patent leather platform pump shoe. And this one says LK Bennett London. Irregular Choice. This is a retro pink kitten heel shoe. Current sold was $75, $12.45 shipping. Let's take a close-up. Stuart Weitzman. Current sold is $52 and $12.45 shipping. This is a pump heel and lace up. Here's a close-up of the inside. I noted some popular features for this category. The most popular color was black, then brown, then beige. Leather was the #1 material, including suede and patent leather. For heel style, block was #1, then stiletto, then wedge. If you're unfamiliar with the keywords for heels, I recommend Googling a shoe guide. HOBBS, London. Current sold is $45 and $9.65 shipping. This is a navy suede heel. Here's another close-up. Resell and Bromley, made in Italy. Current sold is $42 and $12.90 shipping. Let's get a better look. Christian Louboutin. Current sold is $199.99 and $14 shipping. This is a black patent leather platform heel shoe. Here's a close-up, and this one's from Paris. Hotter. Current sold is $36 and $14 shipping. Here is the inside. Here's the logo. And they usually do some kind of nice design on the bottom. HAAN. Current sold is $50 and $11.45 shipping. This is a navy blue leather wedge shoe. Here's the inside marking. Miu Miu. Current sold is $55 and $13 shipping. This is a color block heel shoe. Design is gorgeous. Here's the inside label. Jimmy Choo. Current sold is $69.99 and $10 shipping. This is a snakeskin heeled shoe. And this is Jimmy Choo London. Fly London. Current sold is $39 and $10 shipping. This is a perforated leather peep toe shoe. It's also a wedge. And the bottom of the shoe is pretty interesting. It actually has a fly as part of the logo. Clark's. Current sold is $60 and $8.22 shipping. This one happens to be a suede Mary Jane heel. And here is the marking for Clark's on the bottom. Gucci. Current sold is $300 and $12 shipping. The inside label is pretty easy to spot. It's very large and in gold. I love these buckles. The two-tone's really nice. And if you look at the tip here, it's a square toe and it's also a mock toe, so moccasin style, when it has this raised edge along the outline of the shoe. Kate Spade. Current sold is $95.99 and $10.85 shipping. These shoes are beautiful. They have a pointed toe, it's patent leather. These are made in Italy. They have cutouts in the front. You notice there. And here's a close-up of the label. It says Kate Spade, New York. DANSKO. Current sold is $39.99 and $9.14 shipping. DANSKO is known for chunky styled shoes, usually clogs or wedges. These happen to be studded. You can see that detail here. And the DANSKO label. PRADA. Current sold is $90 and $6.99 shipping. This heel has a buckle detail. It is pointed. And it has also a stitch detail. Here's a close-up. And this one says Milano, made in Italy, so that would definitely be a factor. Yves Saint Laurent. Current sold is $74.95 and $9.58 shipping. This shoe actually has a mesh covering with embroidery, which is lovely. Here's a close-up of the logo, which is just the name. So this one went for $74, and it actually had a couple of defects. So this seller labeled the defects. There's some missing fabric there. There's some damage here, but you'll notice it still went for $75. So which is a great sale. John FLUEVOG. Current sold is $99.98. Shipping was $13.40. This is a low heel shoe. It's a slip-on, and the most striking feature are the studs all along the shoe. And here's a close-up of the logo. Michael Kors. Current sold is $37.49 and $11.45 shipping. This is a dark red patent leather pump. Also has the mock toe. It's also styled kind of like a penny loafer, except it has a chunky heel. And here's the logo for the inside. MANOLO BLAHNIK. Current sold is $79 and $9 shipping. These are slingbacks, so they have the strap in the back. And here's a close-up of the label. Coach. Current sold is $69.95 and $8.95 shipping. These are very high platform shoes. If you're unfamiliar with platform, it just means that the front of the shoe is also raised, not just the back heel. So this one has a low platform, but some of them can get really high. Here's a close-up of the label for Coach. Louis Vuitton. Current sold is $99.80. Shipping was $8.95. This is another patent leather shoe. It does have a pointed cap toe. Cap toe meaning that the end of the shoe is a different piece of leather than the rest. And let's just get a closer look. So this is Louis Vuitton Paris. Tory Burch. Current sold is $65 and $10.20 shipping. This is an open toe and it has a very big decorative buckle. And you can kind of see the logo there in the bottom of the shoe. And here's another marking of the logo. It's a little hard to see. It's kind of worn out. And these would be called peep toe, because only a little bit of the toe is showing. Valentino. Current sold is $300 and $12 shipping. I noticed a lot of the Valentinos that we're selling were the rock studded ones. Here's a close-up of the tag. It says Valentino Garavani. And our top selling brand for this list is Salvatore Ferragamo. Current sold is $51 and $9.25 shipping. This is another mock toe shoe with a buckle accent. Here's another angle. You can see the logo a little better there. As always, we hope this information was useful to you. Please like, subscribe, and leave a comment. Let us know which item categories you'd like us to research in future videos. Thank you for watching!